Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the tools for the R9A2 rotor. So we have a bottle vise here, we have cap opener, we have bottle setter, and this is for the rotor handle. So for the bottle vise, we can use to grip the bottle. So here we have bottle setter to hook up the bottle, and we can put on the vise. If the cap is too tight and you cannot use hand to remove it, you can use a bottle openers to uncap, to detach the cap. And this is the cap, this is the inner cap, and this is the cap support. Okay, so please put the cap support in this direction. We have O-ring on the inner cap. Just in case if there's pressure inside the bottle and you cannot open the cap, you can use these bottle setters to hook up the cap. Now you can close the cap. If you need to close it tight, use the cap opener. You can either put the bottle in the rotor with the hands or use the bottle setter. In the end, this bottle handle is used to lift up the rotor because the rotor is very heavy. You need two hands to hold it up and put into the CR22N or CR30N. Thank you for watching the video today.